everyone, my name is Clara Dorothea Wijaya. I'm majoring in strategic communication in Multimedia Nusantara University. Today, I'd like to talk about the environmental issues or problem in my area, which is Jakarta. In Jakarta, environmental problems that stand out the most is air pollution. Jakarta has been heavily polluted for years and many factors cause this. But from the video that I watched, it says that Jakarta has been named for the world's most polluted city by Swiss air quality technology company named IQ Air. It's caused by chronic traffic, industrial smoke, and coal-fired power plants. And in more details, mainly the factor that cause this are motorized vehicle that unfortunately our emission standard is quite low, so our transport emission contributes a lot to these issues. The second factor is industries such as smokes from factories and coal plants, but there's other factors such as manufacturing, household emissions, constructions, and road dust and open waste burning. So from my own observation about these issues, a lot of people that live in Jakarta is aware about the air condition that happen in Jakarta. The quality is not good and stuff, but I still see people acting ignorant about these issues and do this. So I'm going to tell you what are they doing and making me concerned about this current situation. What I want to mention is open waste burning. I see a lot of people still do this and it really makes the air quality worse. And from my observation, it is probably caused by poor waste management system in this city that cause too much waste and maybe piling rubbish or trash in their area and making them uncomfortable. So it's really an alright things to do. Like if they didn't do open waste burning, the trash or the rubbish is piling up in their area, so it's not comfortable for them and it's not worth living. So from me, there are several solutions that I can give, that I can suggest. And first, I want to give solutions to the government. And the first thing I want to suggest is maybe the government can periodically reviews the area that have environmental conditions that are have a severe issues. And from that, I hope that the government can warn the people that live there about maybe open waste burning, so they didn't do that by going directly to the area. I hope that maybe government can understand more about the issues and give the best solutions so it's more effective and the government can warn the people there. So the second thing that I want to suggest is maybe the government can have all the public transportation to have emissions free vehicles such as electric buses, electric cars and stuff. And maybe government can make a regulation to work together with online motorcycle taxis in Jakarta, so they operate vehicles that are emissions free and maybe electric transportation to reduce the pollution because of emissions. So the third thing is, it's really maybe the same like the point one, but maybe the government can increase the awareness through providing the education towards the area that contribute the most to these issues, air pollutions, maybe the area that's usually piling up rubbish and burn them. And the governments can give the educations like, hey, when you do this, it's increasing the air pollution more. It's not healthy for us, for the city. So the people in the area hopefully have more awareness and maybe more careful to their actions. Secondly, I also want to give ourselves a suggestion as a resident that live in Jakarta. First, we have to be more aware and up to date to the condition in the city and be careful about what our choices and actions. And secondly, if we have a private vehicles that produce emission, I suggest that we use it as few as possible. So if you want to go somewhere that is close, you can just walk there, yeah, so just walk there. And the third thing is to take care of our health in this area that the air pollution has becoming an issue. I suggest we use mask every day. Also, if it's possible, use cloth mask so it's not making a waste too, because in pandemic I see that mask is becoming a medical waste too, that making an issue to the environment too. So that's from me talking about the environmental issues or problem around where I live, which is Jakarta. And I hope we can always improve the environment quality and ourselves to have a better living conditions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.